Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to Monopoly Go with friends. Now don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now let's go into our Monopoly Go app, and then what we can do is we can go ahead and add friends into our account. So what we need to do is to go on friends here on the bottom right, and then you should be able to see some form of suggestions right here. So if you want to go ahead and just go ahead and add these people if you wanted to. And there are also 3 other things that you can go ahead and do to be able to add friends and family. So one of them is to either connect your contacts so that you will have Monopoly Go to access your contacts and then see if any of them have the Monopoly Go app. Or you can go ahead and connect your Facebook account. So if you want to go ahead and do that, you can also do so. And one final thing is you can go ahead and invite your friends. So just go ahead and click on the invite, and you should see that you can get some information into here as well. So again, you can go ahead and invite them via Facebook, or you can go ahead and invite them by sending them a link right here. So let's go ahead and click on this, and then this should give you a copy of the link itself. So if you go ahead and click copy right here, or you can go ahead and also click on nearby share as well if there is someone nearby next to you. Or if you want to go ahead and invite via quick share or any other apps that you have. And also in the middle, of course, are your current contacts. Now what exactly can you do with friends is there is this community chest right here. At the moment it is unlocked, but what you need to do is to go ahead and level up even more, and you should be able to unlock this community chest right here in the middle, and you can go ahead and start playing some mini games as well. And one final thing is that if you go back into your friends right here, and then you can take a look at the leaderboards as well. So those that are connected to you as your friends, you should be able to go ahead and compete with them right here. Well, there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.